In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set timings and transitions in PowerPoint. We'll walk through how to control exactly when your slides move forward, and how to add smooth transitions so your presentation looks polished and professional. I'll explain each setting as we go, so you not only know what to click, but also why you might use it. Start by opening your PowerPoint presentation and making sure you're in normal view so you can see your slides on the left side. Click on the slide you want to work with. At the top of the screen, go to the Transitions tab. This is where all the slide transition effects and timing controls live. In the Transitions tab, you'll see a gallery of different transition styles, like fade, push, wipe, and more, depending on your version of PowerPoint. Click once on a transition to apply it to the selected slide. PowerPoint will usually show you a quick preview so you can see how it looks. If you don't like it, just click a different one until you find a style that fits the tone of your presentation. For example, simple fades often work best for professional or academic slides. Now, look to the right side of the Transitions tab for the timing group. Here, you can control how long the transition itself takes. There's a duration box where you can increase or decrease the time. A shorter duration will make the slide switch quickly, while a longer duration creates a slower, more dramatic effect. Try something around half a second to 1 second for most presentations. Just below that, you'll see options for how the slide advances. If you want to move slides manually, make sure On Mouse Click is checked. This means you'll use your keyboard or mouse during the presentation to move forward. If you want your presentation to run automatically, check the box that says After, and set the number of seconds you want the slide to stay on screen before advancing. You can use this for timed talks, looping displays, or kiosks. It's a good idea to test these timings in slideshow mode to see if they match your speaking pace or the amount of content on each slide. Once you're happy with the transition and timing on one slide, you can click Apply to All in the timing group if you want to use the same settings across your entire deck. This keeps things consistent and saves time, especially for longer presentations. When you're finished, run your slideshow from the beginning and watch it all the way through. Make small adjustments to duration and timing where needed until everything feels smooth and natural.